Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Keller. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. So for today, for today's video, guys, I'm very excited to share this with you my new hobby, which is fish keeping, and I have lots of different strains of guppies in my mini guppy farm, and this is the reason why I am so very busy lately. So without wasting any time, let's jump in right to the video. Ayan. Ito po yung bahay namin. Say hi, Kosh.
Hi.
Bayi.
Coach, isang tulingan coach nga.
So we have a rift tub here, and it has lots of black Moscow guppies. And I was not able to clean it yet because I don't have a time for this. Or maybe sooner or later I can clean this rift tub for my black Moscow. So now we are heading to our bodega, or should I say our mini Guffy farm. Inside that house is our mini Guffy farm. Ayan. So we are already here in our bodega. We replaced it. We changed it into mini Guffy farm. So come inside. Yeah. Introducing my DIY trapal pond. So the first guppy is bluegrass. It has two males and two females at this tray. Next is my albino full red, or also known as AFR. It has two males and two females. Yes, very nice. And next is HB blue, or half black blue. It has two females and one male. And next is HB white, or half black white, but this is only two males. And next is black Moscow. It has two males and two females. So this is me. As you can see, ayan. So kung nakikita nyo sa likod, as you can see at my back, po namin yan. It's so very messy and dirty, but I was able to transform our bodega into a mini Guffy farm. And this is the fry of black Moscow. Black Moscow fry, and the fry of HB blue, or half black blue. And I really don't know why I came up with this idea. I'm trying to breed my AFR and black Moscow, hoping to get a nice result of fry. So, so inside this cabinet is my air hose and my water conditioner, and also my Midland Blue Aquacare water conditioner, new improve. It removes harmful chlorine, neutralizes chloramine, creates clear water, buffer the pH, help fish to resist stress, and detoxifies heavy metals. And this is my Methylene Blue and air hose, and of course my rock salt. And this is only trapal. This trapal pan is so very easy, and if you want to know how I made this trapal pan for our guppies, just comment down below so that I can give you a tutorial for this trapal pan. And as you can see, it is perfect for our breeding tank for our guppies and also for grow out tank for our fry. So as you can see, my guppies are enjoying their new environment. All for today's video. I hope you guys will find it very useful, and if you are new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to enable the notifications. Kapong